we are looking at this lists, and sometimes it is advantageous to be able to see different parts of a list at the same time, and one way is to use the split feature of Excel. We can split the screen horizontally and vertically. If you want to split the sheet or the screen top and bottom, we will use a horizontal split. Let's test that. Position the selector around the midpoint and go to view and split. Now we can compare data or check names or do other stuff. Look, the bottom is scrolling and the top one is also scrolling as well. The same manner, we can split the screen vertically. Let's first delete the horizontal split. We can double click to delete that. First point selector around here and go to view and split. Now we have two screens. We can move the split line and compare or do other stuff in the screens. We can also split the screen horizontally and vertically at the same time. Usually we don't need it, and it will make things complex, but we can do, if we need it, we can point at the middle of the screen and go to split. Now we have 4 windows or 4 split, and we can compare or do other stuff. If the need is there, the future is at our hands.